So welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna paint the brakes on the E36 because those brakes doesn't look that good, and I actually just gonna paint one side because I'm not 100% sure about the color I have chosen. I have chosen gold color. It looked very good on F30 with white paint and silver wheels, and I also saw like BMW has their own OEM gold color on the brakes, so I didn't find the right color, but it's very similar to the BMW gold, and I'm gonna explain step by step how you do this. So it's gonna be like a how to do video, and if you like type of videos like this, you should hit the subscribe button and like and share the video. We're also gonna have a giveaway at 500 and 1000 subscribers. So the first thing you wanna do when you're painting your brakes, I usually trying to clean off like oil from the brakes first. Then I take a steel brush on a like screwdriver and try to like remove surface rust. I also think we're gonna paint this, and before you like hate on me, oh you have to change your brakes, dude, I know I'm gonna do it, but I don't gonna use the car for like 2 months. It's still winter, so I'm gonna change those later. So under time we're gonna like paint this, make it look good. We're gonna paint those. So first, clean it up. So now I have cleaned the hub and of course the caliper. It's still a little bit surface rust, but it feels more smooth, and that's the whole point. And after you have like cleaned it up with steel brush, you should clean it up with acetone or alcohol or acetone. In my case I have alcohol, T-red, and you should use paper. Fortunately my paper in my garage is empty, so I'm gonna use towels, but I recommend to use paper. So as you can see, all the dust now is gone, both from the caliper and the hub. And when you're waiting for the alcohol or the acetone to like dry, cover everything up now, and after that it's time to paint. So when you're done, it should look something like this. And like I said before, you don't have to cover up like this and this. You can actually spray paint it. It's just me, my OCD. I really want it to be perfect. And we should also cover up this. And after that, we're gonna put on the first clear coat. So it's absolutely not looking perfect, but it looks good enough. And I used 3 layers, very thin layers, because you have to spray very close of base coat. And now I have to let it dry to 100%, and then I'm gonna put on the color. So it actually looks very good, much better than I expected to do. Like I said in the beginning, I was not sure about the golden color, but I'm pretty sure now. And I have always sprayed 2 layers of colors, also very thin layers, but because it's very strong color, I think 2 layers is enough. It looks pretty good, and it doesn't look like I have missed like any spots. So now we're gonna put on the clear coat, and after that we're also gonna paint the hub. I'm done with the first caliper. Sadly I got some overspray with the clear coat here on the side, so maybe I have to remove this and sand it down and redo it in the future. Maybe I can do that when I change the rotary and the brake pads. But anyway, this is how it looks now. It looks pretty good from this distance, and when you put on the wheel you're only gonna see the front anyway. And I don't know if I'm gonna put any like M Sport stickers on. I don't think I'm gonna do it because it's not M3 brakes anyway, it's just OEM brakes from BMW. But maybe I put on some sticker with like the text to the channel or something. But overall, it looks pretty good. So my microphone on my camera decided to like die and broke down right when we was filming. But what we're gonna do now is we're gonna cover up the wheel hub. I'm gonna show you in time lapse, and then we're gonna paint the wheel hub. So when you have covered up everything, it's supposed to look like something like this. And normally you don't really have to paint wheel up if you don't want to. The best thing is just to change the brake rotaries. But if you want to still use your rotaries like 1 year or 2 more years, they are really good. And you want to prevent it to rust, this is one of the options you can do. You can just paint it over with any color you want. So now it's time to put on the first layer of base coat. So I put on 2 layers of base coat, and I don't gonna put on any colors because, like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm gonna change my rotaries. This is just to show you guys how you can do it. So the next step for you is to choose a color to put on, and I just gonna go for the clear coat now. Plus this color match up pretty good with my wheels anyway, so I would probably go for silver color if I had to put on a color. So this is the final result. When you are done, it looks so much better than it did before, when it was rusty and ugly and disgusting. But yeah, that's how you paint your brakes and the wheel hub. And I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video, and I will see you in 2 weeks. Girls with their nails done.